National spokesperson Bloem joins us for more on that story. And Dr. Bloem, good evening. Good to have you, and thank you very much for your time. I suppose this is a former member of your party now facing these rather serious charges. How does the organization react to this, knowing well that I suppose this particular crime could have been, if proven to be true, committed while they were actually part of your organization?
Good evening, Thabo, and good evening to the viewers. Now, Thabo, we are saying that we have expressed our disappointment and our anger with this whole saga of Dr. Makwarela. But we must say we welcome the swift action by the Hawks that Dr. Makwarela have appeared today already in court. That is what we always want. If anyone violates the laws of this country, the law must take its course. Nobody is above the law. We welcome it, and we are saying that nobody must ever do what Dr. Makwarela have done to the country and to the city of Tshwane. It is totally unacceptable, and we condemn it. We will never support such things.
It does seem, though, Dr. Bloem, that COPE itself dropped the ball, and there's a degree of accountability here that you need to take, particularly around your vetting processes.
No, Thabo, we have explained this thing many a times on the vetting issue. When a public representative, when the nomination processes of us, I'm going to explain it again. When our nomination processes open, we are taking all these names, the province are taking these names from the structures on the ground, the branches, and then they are doing the vetting from the province. They are doing everything, processing everything. And then the only time when a national comes in, it's when we are paying for IEC to accept our members as candidates. That's the only way when we come in as national.
Yeah.
But our vetting system is very tight. We don't know how Dr. Makwarela slipped through this one.
But does that not tell you that you need to change maybe that system and national getting involved a little bit earlier than you have, in particular, this matter?
Definitely, Thabo. We have learned through this process and this whole scandal of Dr. Makwarela. Definitely, we are tightening our processes now. But, Thabo, another thing that I must raise is that political parties must also know that they must follow a protocol. You know, Thabo, Dr. Makwarela have negotiated this position of mayor by himself with the other political parties. It's not only him. In Johannesburg, Colleen Makubela have done the same. You know, Thabo, that we have signed an agreement with the multi-party coalition. Now, these two went out and they jump and negotiate for themselves. I am saying, Thabo, and that is what we are saying as the party. The other political parties must respect protocol and talk to the leaders of that particular party. It is not only Cope that is sitting with egg in his face. These other parties, ANC, EFF, and the others who took Makwarela and say, no, it's fine, we are going to make you mayor. They as well. And we are feeling very sorry that they are also now in this thing because it is absolutely wrong that Dr. Makwarela was doing this. But these other parties, and it's not only them, Thabo. Let me tell you, before we went into this coalition, multi-party, the multi-party coalition were already talking to our members, the 3 members in this council. Dr. Makwarela, the DA spoke to him. Colleen Makubela, the DA spoke to her. In Epuruleni, the DA spoke to Nzipo Kalipa. It's totally wrong that parties must not respect the other parties, even if we are having one member. But there is a political party that must be respected.
I appreciate your time. Dr. Bloem, thank you very much for coming on Cope National spokesperson.